Good morning, and here we are in Tilal Al Ghaf in Elan, and I thought I would just do a construction update here for the month of September. So we're just looking around. This is right in between Elan 1 and Elan 2. What is really nice are all these little paths and the landscaping. Majid Al Futtaim are really good at landscaping. So when you're buying a property, there's some of you I'm speaking to on the telephone saying, why is somewhere like Tilal Al Ghaf going up so fast in price? Why is it so in demand over other areas? Well, for example, if you look at other communities, for example Fajan, where there's very small developers that have maybe built 4 or 5 townhouses together in a cluster, but you don't have any community facilities as such. It's not a gated community, for example, and you don't have a community swimming pool. Yes, you would still have a little shopping mall perhaps in those communities close by, but there's no gated community, so people are coming in and out, and the streets are faster with cars driving, etc. And if you've got young children and animals, you want to have an environment where the children can go and play without you having to always supervise them, which you can do in Dubai for safety work. For safety, there's no issue there with children being allowed to wander around on their own, which is so nice here in Dubai. So it's a Saturday morning here. People are just waking up, just sort of 8 o'clock in the morning. So beautiful time of day, and it's very busy here. There's literally people in every property here. So we're just driving through, so you can see these are townhouses. So the ones in the middle are all 3-bedroom townhouses, and then as we come to the end here, you can see this one there. It's an end unit. Those two are end units, so they would be the 4 bedrooms. Okay, and then straight ahead, those two are obviously end units, so they're each 4 bedrooms, and then the 3 bedrooms are in the middle. So for those of you wondering what's what, a townhouse is a property that's connected to its neighbor. So if you're looking for a detached villa, then you need to be looking for Harmony, and Harmony's prices right now as of September are at least 6 million dirham, and those are for the 4 bedrooms. So the cheapest entry point into Tilal Al Ghaf for a fully detached villa where you can walk around the garden is at 6 million dirham. If you check out the description below in my video here, you will see more details on all of the different offerings at every price level. So now we're just going to drive up here, and you will see the kiddies park, which is again something really special about the community such as Tilal Al Ghaf. So check this out. Even if your garden's not that big, your children can just go here to the kiddies park, and it's really nice. All ergonomically safe for the children, nice wooden frames, swings, etc. It's a really multicultural community, very global, all nationalities. And then as we drive up here, I just want to show you the gym facility, and also you will see the swimming pool as well. So again, a selling point of being in a community where only the residents are using the gym facilities, and we've got like owners groups already set up. So for those of you watching and you're an owner and you're not yet in the owners group, give me a call, we can put you in that. So here's the gym, that's looking pretty busy on a Saturday morning there, and then as we come down here, you will also see the swimming pool. So let me just I'm just gonna stop and show you this pool because it's really nice. You can see through there the swimming pool. There's the swimming pool. It's a really nice area. So this is the swimming pool for all of the residents here, and that's the gymnasium. Okay, so, and there's always a lifeguard on duty, although it's a little bit early in the morning for the lifeguard, but just a really gorgeous area. There we have it. So anyway, this is Elan 1. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video if it was of value, and thank you for watching, and get in touch. Details on how you can buy here in Tilal Al Ghaf. Sorry for the hot sweaty look. I've just finished a game of paddle tennis here on the community, and now it's time to go and have a shower. Take care.